Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. I hope you're all doing very well. I thought I'd do another chart video for you guys. I mean, what is an upload of the day when I'm not doing any charts? So, pretty important stuff going on. I thought I'd have a look around and see what I could find before I actually start a video, as I usually do. And I've noticed a few things that I wanted to show you guys, and it's mainly the importance of these retracements because I've always presented Fibonacci retracements, right? And obviously, people have their ways of finding certain things to use. But, one thing I've noticed is that these retracements are really a huge level of interest that we need to get through, especially that 0.702, which I bang on about non-stop. And I'm going to show you the importance of it because it's being shown widely in pretty much all of these charts. The 0.702 is such an extremely important level that we need to get through in order to make our way higher. But it's not a level that, is something that we could just easily get through and just go higher. It's a level that we genuinely need to battle before we get rewarded for doing so. Because at that level, you're either going to reject it and not go through it, or you're going to get through it and absolutely blast above it. So I'm going to show you the importance of it, where we are now, what we could possibly expect to come. So it's going to be a pretty simple video showing you guys exactly what I'm seeing, showing you guys why we've just kind of been flat for the past few days, and understanding what we need to actually get through in order to get to the next leg up of the entire market, right? So let's just get straight into it. This is Bitcoin right here, and it's actually the hourly chart. So what you're seeing here, this would have been the top that we would have made a week ago on the dot. So on the 23rd of August, we hit $50,500, right? And that level was actually also a 702 retracement. So we'll start from the complete top, right? If we go from our actual top of Bitcoin, okay, to our local low, as you guys can see right there, what did we hit? We pinpoint touched our 0.702 retracement level. As you can see right there, 0.702 is this line right here. And it's something that we battled and we could not get through, okay? Hence why we rejected it and came back down, okay? Now, where did we get to from our actual top? Well, if we go from our original 702 retracement, which would have been this, and we go like that, where did we get back up to? Once again, we pinpoint touch that 0.702. And it's something that we are completely battling right now. As you can see from that top, which was our original 702 retracement of the actual top, we hit the 702 and we've just kind of been battling it right there with Bitcoin, hence why it's just been going sideways for a little bit. Now, if I take this off and I zoom into the hourly chart, and I make it a little bit bigger for you guys. As you guys can see now, our top was there, right? $50,500. Well, this is the thing with the 702. You could even put it on smaller time frames and find out our retracement here. And where did we come back to, guys? Many times the 0.702. As you can see, from when we hit our bottom right here, well, we even hit it like right there. As you can see, we did wick above it right there, but we never had a 4-hour candle close above it. So it actually shows a little bit better on a 4-hour. What you want is a 4-hour candle close, or even better, a daily candle close above it. But as you guys can see, even during our most recent dip, every time we come to that 0.702 area, it gets rejected each time, right? So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've hit it 9 times, guys. And Bitcoin has not managed to get through it. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to get through. I still have full conviction that it will, because of other stuff that I am seeing around the market. But I'm just trying to show you guys the importance and why I've been banging on about it for such a long time. Look how many times we've done that. We have not managed to close a 4-hour candle above it. And even when we did close a 1-hour candle above it, it came straight back down. As you guys can see, we touched it. That even touched the 0.786, rejected it, came back down. Again, wicked above it, came back down. So we kind of, that's what we're battling against right now. That level right there, by the way, is $49,230. Okay, this is on the Binance chart anyway. So what I'm basically looking at is $49,300. We kind of want to be clearing that level with full conviction. Okay, and just kind of, that will basically allow us to go back up and retest 50,500, which is the bigger retracement from our original 702, from that area right there. So once we pass $49,300, I'd fully expect us to get back up and retest the original 702 right there, which is at $50,500. But then even if we pass that, guys, we've got the full retracement, which would be from the exact top, which would then be at $54,000. So, right now we are at those levels where we are battling, and it doesn't come as any surprise at all, because I've been saying this for such a long time. Like, the people that have been watching me since the beginning, it's something that we've expected, right? I kept saying we're going to get back up to these levels, and this is when it's going to get very volatile. This is when it's going to get very scary. You're going to get big rejections. You're going to get big pumps. People aren't going to really know what to do until we get through these levels, right? So that's where we are right now with Bitcoin. We require a bit more patience. Hopefully this week we can get it, and we can pass those levels, but we just have to wait and see. Then I decided to go over to the total market cap, and to my surprise, where is that battling as well? The 0.702. Okay, even during that dip from our bottom, we've retraced perfectly to the 702. We hit it once, we came back down, we had our dip in the market, okay, and we've recovered again. And just yesterday, because this is the daily chart, as you can see that wick right there, guys, right there, we touched the 0.702 once again, and we have rejected it again. So it is a level that we are really struggling to get through, and it's just a level that requires a lot of battling. And even the total altcoin market cap is battling that level as well. Hit it once, rejected it, hit it again yesterday, rejected it again. So I'm just trying to show you guys the importance of this level right here. All of these retracements right here from the 618 to the 786 are very important, especially that 0.702. Because what tends to happen once we break the 0.702, cool, there'll be loads of rejections here, absolutely fine. But what does happen once we break it? It goes full-blown moon. That's exactly what happens, right? But I remain optimistic. Why? Because of what I'm seeing on charts like Solana, for example. Solana has not only broken a 0.702 a long time ago, which was obviously all the way, put it on perfectly, all the way right there. It's gone on to new all-time highs, and it's over $100 today. But again, I want to show you the importance of the 702, because take a look. When we did actually pass the 702, that was when Solana went on a moon mission. Okay, it didn't find any other rejections or any other retracements until we got to our first extension. These are extensions above there. These are retracements. So once we passed that 702 retracement right there at $46, if I bring that across, once we passed that, it was full-blown moon, guys. So, that's what I'm expecting for something like Bitcoin as well. We need to get through these levels in order for us to see a full-blown alt season. And the reason why I'm so optimistic is because I'm seeing things like Solana make these type of moves, because you wouldn't see that in a bear market. This is a top 8 coin now, right? And even something like Luna, for example, that has also gone on and broken the 0.702. And we can see it on this chart as well, that the second it did break that 0.702 retracement level right there, it had a little bit of consolidation before bang, we just went on. That was the main level that we needed to get through. And then most importantly, you're seeing coins like Cardano, which is a top 5 coin, which has also broken the 0.702 retracement. Okay. However, Cardano has been consolidating for a little bit. All right. And as you guys can see, we did break it, we did come back down, but once that level is broken, it's made to be broken, right? Broken with conviction. And now we're heading our way back up. And as you guys probably saw from the chart just earlier, I am expecting a little bit of like a wedge happening within Cardano right there. So that's basically what I'm hoping to see, something like this, which if that is something that is happening, then we could expect to see Cardano break out probably within the next day or two. So that's what I'm hoping for with Cardano anyway. But, it's good to see that we have got leaders in the market that are doing them, and they're not just random small cap coins. These are large cap coins doing it. So I'm very optimistic. We just need a lot of patience. But I also do have at the back of my mind that Bitcoin is ultimately the king. And if it doesn't want to get through those levels, it doesn't want to get through those levels. There's nothing we can do. But that is what we are looking for. Main targets, $49,300, and then $50,500, and then $54,000 for Bitcoin. Those are the 3 main areas that we need to get through. But first things first, 49,300 and then 50,500. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking anyway. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think if you've got an opinion on it as well. But as you guys can see, that 702 is a pain in the backside. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure your bell icon is turned on so you don't miss any other uploads. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Take it easy, people.